Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and tonight I wanted to share with you a quick idea on how to create a romantic table setting for two on a budget. So we have this coffee table in our living room. It's called the Cranfill from the Brick. They sponsored this table, and the cool thing about it is that you can raise it up from cocktail height to dining height. So I thought this was a really neat area to create more of an intimate tablescape for Valentine's Day. So I actually used just a curtain panel to make kind of this gauzy runner. So I just had it kind of in my stash. And then I created this DIY flower arrangement. So I actually used a cookie jar because I wanted that size of vase. And I picked up some faux greenery. This is from Michael's. I just wanted kind of that really drapey, romantic looking greenery. And some ferns. I couldn't find any fresh, so one idea if you can't do that is you can hack it like I do and just buy faux greenery and mix it with fresh flowers. So that's a great way to make a really robust looking arrangement on a budget. Next, I went to Costco and I found 24 white roses. They're only $20 Canadian at Costco, so a really great deal. And I just trimmed those and I popped them into my faux greenery. Another reason I like to use faux greenery often is because it creates kind of a web in the base of my floral design so that I can put my fresh flowers into the web that I created. Next, I've got a bunch of sweet peas from Costco as well, and I inserted them throughout the arrangement just to kind of add some color and a different shape to this arrangement. I'm kind of going for like a mounded shape, and I'm not a professional florist by any means, but I just love fiddling around with different arranging ideas, and I love to DIY them and make them really inexpensively. Last, I popped in some baby's breath to fill all of the holes, and that is my DIY arrangement. This is a great way to make any tablescape feel really special and romantic, so I just placed it in the middle of the table on top of the runner, and then I just grabbed some dishware that I already had at home in whites and soft pastel greens. I also used some copper cutlery just to add a little bit of elegance to the table as well. This cutlery was just from Walmart, so also inexpensive, but I think it's just such a pretty rose gold color. And then I have these pretty wine glasses and some rosé. And then I made these DIY linen napkins. I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the description box below. And use some of the leftover roses and the faux ferns and just tied them onto the napkin with some twine. I really love the look of rustic combined with feminine. It just is such a nice contrast. So the rustic wood of this table, the rusticness of this twine, with the femininity of the flowers and the gauzy table runner, I think is such a neat combo. I also added some candles. You might remember these candlesticks from my fall tablescape. I found them at Value Village and spray painted them in a copper rose color to match my cutlery. So again, another bargain thing to do, but I think the candlesticks matching the cutlery is a really elegant touch. And that is my budget-friendly romantic tablescape for two. That is perfect for a Valentine's Day night in, like my husband and I like to do. We don't like to go out for Valentine's Day, we'd rather stay in. So this is just a fun way to make it special and cozy and romantic on a budget. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of this tablescape was. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget.